From the misreporting which you've seen in media, the judge did not declare anyone as the elected speaker of the Nyamira County Assembly. If you read the judgment yourself, actually you read the judgment yourself and the judge says that the judge did not declare, it says that it has no jurisdiction to declare who is the speaker of the County Assembly of Nyamira. So I consider the view that under the orders we have, that One Enoch Okero is still the speaker of the County Assembly of Nyamira until he is properly removed from office and another individual elected as speaker. And that one has not happened. It was not near anywhere in the judgment which was issued at the High Court in Bomet. And we've been dismayed by our that judgment, by the kind of judgment which the judge gave. On the first issue, number one, we have other active cases which are ongoing in court. The judge did not consider the merit or the issue of those other cases. Number two, and most importantly, the judge dealt on the issue of impeachment, which was not part of any of the requests by the people who went to court.
And the 22 of us today, members of the County Assembly, who have been legally following the law, because we had a speaker and we still have a speaker, Enoch Okero, who is legally in office because the orders of E008, a petition that is still active in court, has not been vacated and has not been determined. That our courts can rule on small matters, leaving the mother matter without it being considered.